Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen Bhashapraveshaha book till page number 17, right? Today we are going to see from 18th page till 20th page. Let's start with the class. See this, coming to the 18th page. This is talking about some examples about the Shashti Vibhakti only. In the last class we have already seen Shashti Vibhakti, right? How to find the Shashti Vibhakti forms of any Shabda. I have shown you a couple of examples also. In the same way, this exercise also you need to fill. Let's see one by one. See this, Bharatasya Rajadhani Delhi. Bharatasya means it's a Shashti Vibhakti singular form of Bharata Shabda. Bharatasya is the Shashti Vibhakti singular form. If you can type this Bharatasya in ashtadhyayi.com or sanskritabhyas.in, then you will able to find its dual and plural forms as well. So Bharatasya is the Shashti Vibhakti and its Rajadhani is Delhi. In the sense, India's capital is Delhi. Next example. Kashmirasya Rajadhani Srinaгаram. Here they have given only dash Rajadhani Srinaгаram they have given. How you need to write Kashmirasya? You need to check this brackets. See this, in the right hand side there is a small braces, right? Brackets. Here Kashmiram is there. This Kashmiram Shabda you need to search in the website and then you need to get the forms of singular, dual and plural forms. Note down in a separate paper and then come here. Kashmiram means singular, right? It's a Shashti Vibhakti singular. What is Shashti Vibhakti singular? Kashmirasya. So that only you need to fill here. Why? Because it's talking about relation, right? Whose capital is Srinaгаram? Kashmir capital is Srinaгаram. So that relation we are talking about, right? That's why we are using Shashti Vibhakti in this entire lesson. Same thing in the first example as well. Bharatasya Rajadhani Delhi. India's capital is Delhi. That's why we have used Shashti Vibhakti singular. And coming to the third example. Dash Rajadhani Jayapuram. Here come to the braces. Rajasthanam. Rajasthanam means Rajasthan. What is Rajasthan's capital? Jaipur, right? Here they have written Rajasthanam Jayapuram for Rajasthan and Jaipur. It's a kind of declination in Sanskrit. Since it's a Napunsakalinga, it's a neuter gender. If it is a Pullinga, then it will come as aha. For example, let's say Anantapur. Anantapur will come as Anantapuram. Which example I can give you? Okay, I'll give you at the end of the class, no need to worry. Right now, this town is Rajasthan. It's a Napunsakalinga. That's why they have declined as Rajasthanam. Why? Because all Napunsakalinga, just like a Phala Shabda, you know, right? Phalam, Phale, Phalani. It's a fruit. Phalam is a neuter gender. Like the same way, it ends with Rajasthanam. Jaipur also, Jayapuram. It's a Napunsakalinga, neuter gender. So what is this sentence talking about? Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. That's why Rajasthanasya Rajadhani Jayapuram is the answer. Like the same way, you need to fill all the rest of the blanks as well for each and every Shabda which is given here. All these Shabdas you need to search in the website and then you need to get the Shashti Vibhakti forms and then you need to get added in this left hand side based on whether it is a Pullinga or Strilinga And you also need to check whether it is a plural form or dual form or singular form. How you can check this dual or plural forms? I'll tell you. So this dash Rajadhani Jayapuram means some city's capital is other city, right? Then there you can't write 3 to 4 cities. It can't be a plural form. It also can't be a dual form. It must be a singular form, right? Why? Because each capital city is unique. That's why all this comes under singular forms. Kashmirasya Rajadhani Srinaгаram, Rajasthanasya. All these are the singular forms of Shashti Vibhakti since it is a capital city. Moving to I'll just provide you the answers now. You need to go and check each and every Shabda and get the answers. And then finally just cross check whether you have written correctly or not as per my answers. Take this snapshot. And the next one is dash chanchalatam pashyatu. And the question Shabda they have given is kapihi. Answer is kapehe. Kapehe chanchalatam pashyatu. Next one, munehe Manaha prashantam bhavati. Munehe is the Shashti Vibhakti form. Next one, Guroho Vakyani Smaratu. And the next one, Saha Balakaha Pituhu Priyaha. And the next one, Yuddhe Jetuhu Ativa Anandaha Bhavati. Next one, Matuhu Snehaha Atulaha. And then Veenayam Dvanihi Madhuraha. And then Nadyaha Gatihi Vakraha. And the last one, Vastuni Mulyam Adhikam. All these are the Shashti Vibhakti forms, dual, singular and plural forms. So all these things you need to get and then cross check with the answers. Moving to the next exercise. See this. Here they have given some round table. It's a circle. Here they have given few shabdas. See here, Arjunaha, Saratihi, Krishnaha. And then Vasudevaha Putraha Krishnaha, Balarama Sahodaraha Krishnaha, Kuchelaha Mitram Krishna, Meera Swami Krishna, Devaki Putraha Krishnaha. All this they have given in a circle. What you need to do in this exercise? See the first example. Vasudevasya Putraha Krishnaha. Why Vasudevasya? Vasudev is the name, right? Vasudevaha. We will write in Sanskrit. Why they have given Vasudevasya Putraha Krishnaha? Since it is a relation. Vasudeva's son is Sri Krishna. So that's why they have used Vasudevasya, singular form of Shashti Vibhakti of Vasudevaha Shabda. It's a noun form. Now how they have written this example? I'll show you. See here, first example, Vasudevaha Putraha. This is the relation, right? For each and every, Krishna is related to all these, what I can say, these lines. See this, Vasudeva's son, Balaram's brother, Kuchela's friend, Meera's deity, Devaki's son, right? All these are related to Sri Krishna. That's why we are writing Shashti Vibhakti here. So now they have given the first example. Vasudeva's son is Krishna. That means Shashti Vibhakti. Vasudevasya Putraha Krishnaha. Putraha, this one as it is will write. Only Vasudevaha You need to search in the website. You need to get the Shashti Vibhakti form. And then add both here. Vasudevasya Putraha. Who is that? Sri Krishna, right? Krishnaha. That's what they have given here. It's very simple. Moving to the next example. See here. Balaramaha Sahodaraha Krishnaha, right? Balaram's brother is Sri Krishna. How you will write Balaram's brother? Balaramasya, right? Where I have written, let me show you. See here. Balaramasya Sahodaraha Krishnaha. Asya you will add since it is a Shashti Vibhakti singular form. Balaram's brother is Sri Krishna. And the third one, Kuchelaha Mitram Krishna. How you will write Kuchela's friend is Sri Krishna. Kuchelaha, this is Shashti Vibhakti singular form you need to get. And then you will add it here. Kuchelasya Mitram Krishnaha. Mitram you will write as it is. These middle forms don't change at all. These middle, all these shabdas are there, right? All these noun forms, these won't change. It will remain as it is. Krishnaha, who is playing the main role, he also, that shabda is also won't change. Only Shashti Vibhakti comes for these pink ones. All these pink shabdas are there, right? For these shabdas, Shashti Vibhakti singular form will come. I'll show you few more examples. See here. Meera Swami Krishna. Who is Meera? Meerabai. Meerabai's deity is Sri Krishna. How you will write this? Meerayaha. This is the Shashti Vibhakti singular form. Meerayaha Swami Krishna. Like this you need to write for each and every shabdas. You need to get the Shashti Vibhakti forms of these pink shabdas, pink color shabdas. I'll give you answers now. Vasudevasya Putraha Krishnaha. Arjunasya Saratihi Krishnaha. Madhurayaha Swami Krishnaha. Rukminyaha Patihi Krishnaha. Devakyaha Putraha Krishnaha. Meerayaha Swami Krishnaha. Kuchelasya Mitram Krishnaha. Balaramasya Sahodaraha Krishnaha. So that's it. It's very simple. Just you need to add the Shashti Vibhakti singular form for each and every pink colored shabda here. So this exercise is done. Moving to the next page. See here. Based on the examples given here, you need to fill this exercise. What are the examples given here? Himalayaha Girihi Vindhyachalaha. And they have filled like this. These are the just shabdas. Himalayaha Girihi Vindhyachalaha. These are the three words. Himalayaha means Himalayas, you know, right? Girihi means hill. Vindhyachalaha, that is Vindhyachal. Now you are creating a sentence based on these shabdas. See here. Girehe Nama Himalayaha. Hill name is Himalaya. Why Girehe they have given? Here they have given only Girihi, right? Girihi they have given. Why they have used Girehe? Why? Because since it is a relation. It's talking about relation. Name of the hill is Himalayas, right? That relation they are talking about. Now that's why they have used Shashti Vibhakti Shashti Vibhakti singular form. Shashti Vibhakti singular form they have used, and they created Girehe Nama. Girehe Nama Himalaya. Hill name is Himalaya. Only these two things they have clubbed. Forget about these things. As of now, forget about these things. They have filled only these two parts, right? That's why you need to fill for each and every example. You need to talk about, you need to relate only left two parts, two shabdas. Let's see the next example. See this right hand side. Girehe Nama Vindhyachalaha. Hill name is. First one we have talked about these two things. Hill name is Himalaya. And hill name is also called as Vindhyachalaha. Vindhyachalaha is also name of a hill. That's what they are saying. That's why they have given two forms. Hill name is Himalayas. Hill name is Vindhyachala. So based on this middle part, you need to relate to left hand side and right hand side. First we have related to left hand side. Hill name is Himalayas. Girehe Nama Himalaya. And now what is the right hand side? Hill name is Vindhyachalaha. Girehe remains same in both sides. Girehe, Girehe. Nama, Nama, same. Only this Himalaya, Vindhyachalaha we have added, right? Only it will change among both sides. So that's why what you need to do, you need to get the Shashti Vibhakti forms for this middle ones. Why? Because we are talking about the relation. That's why we need Shashti Vibhakti forms for only for these things. And left hand side, right hand side, these things will remain as it is. Pradhama Vibhakti only. Shashti Vibhakti is only for middle part. I'll give you one more example. See the second one. Sandeshaha, Patrika, Chandamama. These are the three words they have given. Now what you need to do? You need to concentrate. Focus on the middle one. This Shashti Vibhakti you need to get. What is the Shashti Vibhakti of Patrika Shabda? Patrika Yaha is the singular form of Shashti Vibhakti of Patrika Shabda. So, what is the relation between Sandeshaha and Patrika? Patrika Yaha Nama Sandeshaha. That means magazine name is Sandesha. Magazine, some magazine name is Sandeshaha. This is one form. What is the another form? Right hand side. Patrikayaha Nama Chandamama. So Chandamama magazine is also there and Sandeshaha magazine is also there. So two magazines are there. So while you are talking about left hand side, check the left side Shabda Sandeshaha. While you are talking about right hand side, check Chandamama. So we got two answers here. Patrikayaha Nama Sandeshaha, Patrikayaha Nama Chandamama. Here only Patrikayaha will change. Shashti Vibhakti singular form of this middle Shabda Patrika. It's clear, right? Moving to the next one. Saraswati, Devi, Annapurna. Three Shabdas they have given. What is the relation between Saraswati and Devi? Who is Saraswati? Saraswati is the deity, right? For deity, how do we call in Sanskrit? Devi. Right? So, Devyaha they have used. It's a Shashti Vibhakti form. So, we are saying that Devi name is Saraswati. Devi means deity. So, Devyaha Nama Saraswati. Deity name is Saraswati. Devyaha is the Shashti Vibhakti singular form. So, left hand side is done. Saraswati will remain same as it is. Only Devyaha will change. Now, what is the right hand side part? Annapurna. Devi name is also Annapurna. That means one deity name is also called Annapurna. Here also Devyaha used. This is the Shashti Vibhakti singular form of Devi Shabda. So it's also called Annapurna remain as it is, which is a Pradhama Vibhakti. So this example is also done. Moving to the last example. Ramayanam Grantaha Harshacharitam. Here they are talking about Grantha. Ramayanam, Harshacharitam, you know, right? So all these are the Granthas. Granthasya Nama Ramayanam. They have used Shashti Vibhakti form of Granthaha Shabda. Since it is they are talking about relation. What is the Shashti Vibhakti singular form of Granthaha? Granthasya. So they have related the left hand side part. Granthasya Nama Ramayanam. What is the right hand side part? Granthasya Nama Harshacharitam. So Grantha's name is Ramayanam and also Harshacharitam. So this is also a very simple exercise. You no need to bother about anything. What you need to do? You just need to concentrate on the middle part. For all these shabdas, you need to get the Shashti Vibhakti singular forms. And then after getting the singular form, you need to relate left hand side and right hand side for all the shabdas. So this exercise is done. Moving to the next part. See here, they have given one example. Deshau madhye yuddham ma bhavatu. Deshav is in brackets and they have used Deshayoho. Deshayoho madhye yuddham ma bhavatu. How come in the brackets Deshav is there? Why here Deshayoho they have used? Because you need to get the Shashti Vibhakti form. Deshav is the dual form. Till now we have used only singular form of Shashti Vibhakti, right? Now in the bracket itself they have given dual form. So Shashti Vibhakti also you need to give dual form, right? So that's why they have used dual form of Shashti Vibhakti Deshayoho. Deshayoho madhye yuddham ma bhavatu. So like this you need to fill. Whatever form is in the brackets, whether it may be dual form or singular form or plural form, you need to get respective Shashti Vibhakti dual form, singular form or plural form, and then you need to relate here. I'll give you one more example. See here. Hastayoho, hastau they have given. Hastau blank samyojanena anjalihi bhavati. This is the sentence. Now what you need to do here, don't bother about this right hand side part. Just concentrate more on this brackets. In the braces some shabda is there, right? For these shabdas, you need to get a respective corresponding Shashti Vibhakti form. For example, Hastau is there. Hastau means it's a dual form. It's a dual form of Hastaha Shabda. So if dual form is there, then Shashti Vibhakti's dual form should come, right? But not Shashti Vibhakti's singular or plural form. If Pradhama Vibhakti's dual form is given, you need to give Shashti Vibhakti's dual form. If Pradhama Vibhakti's plural form is there, then you need to get plural form of its Shashti Vibhakti. So that's what we are doing now. So here, since it is Pradhama Vibhakti's dual form I have given, you need to search in the website sanskritabhyas.in or ashtadhyayi.com. Search there and get its dual form. And then add here dual form of Shashti Vibhakti. Hastayoho. Hastayoho samyojanena Anjalihi bhavati. It's done. Like the similar way, you need to fill answers for all these examples. I'll give you one small example. One more example. See this. Saha guru ashirvadam prapnoti. Here in the braces, guru is there. So guru is the dual form of guruhu shabda. So if Pradama Vibhakti's dual form has given, you need to get its Shashti Vibhakti's dual form. What is its Shashti Vibhakti's dual form? Guruvoho. So that's why we are giving Saha Guruvoho Ashirvadam Prapnoti. It is done. It's very simple examples. You just need to mainly concentrate on its Shashti Vibhakti and its whether it is singular form, dual form or plural form. That's it. You no need to know the meaning also casually, but obviously you need to know the meaning, gender, everything. But while filling the exercise, you no need to know the meaning also. Just concentrate on these braces and then fill whether it's a Shashti Vibhakti's dual, plural or singular form. Once you fill everything, then analyze what exactly is the meaning of each and every Shabda. Meaning, its gender and what exactly they are conveying in this sentence. That you need to understand. Then only you will learn Sanskrit very easily. Otherwise, if you can just blindly fill Shashti Vibhakti dual form, plural form and singular form and leave it as it is, then you can't learn Sanskrit. Right? You are just doing a homework just for a namesake. But if you want to really learn Sanskrit, you need to know the gender, meaning and understand the sentence. So it is done. Now I'll give you answers. You go and search each and every Shabda in the website and get the Shashti Vibhakti's respective form, singular, dual or plural. Answers are देशयोः मध्ये युद्धं मा भवतु हस्तयोः संयोजनेन अंजलिः भवति सः गुरोः आशीर्वादं प्राप्नोति भ्रात्रोः कलहेन भगिनी खिन्ना भवति वाहनयोः घट्टनेन दुर्घटना भवति श्रीकृष्णः सेनयोः मध्ये अर्जुनस्य रथं स्थापयति अद्य कव्योः सम्माननकार्यक्रमः अस्ति मम भगिन्योः निवासः ग्रामे अस्ति कौरवाः पिता धृतराष्ट्रः. See this is little different, right? It's not exactly similar to as it is as the above examples. Now I'll explain couple of examples here. See this, Kauravaha Pita Dhritarashtraha. That means Kaurava's father is Dhritarashtra. And here they have given answer Kauravanam Pita Dhritarashtraha. Why they have given Kauravanam? Since it is a Shashti Vibhakti. Kauravaha is the plural form of Pradhama Vibhakti of Kaurava Shabda. Its plural form is Kauravaha. It means 100 people are there, right? Kauravas. That's why they have used plural form. They can't use singular or dual. Dual means only two. More than two, how many ever is the number, we can write it as a plural. That's why they have used Kauravaha here. Now we are taking its Shashti Vibhakti plural form. What is its Shashti Vibhakti's plural form? Kauravanam. So answer would be Kauravanam and these two things remain as it is. Pita Dhritarashtraha. Kaurava's father is Dhritarashtra. So it is done. Moving to the next example. Pandavaha Rakshakaha Krishnaha. Pandava's protector is Sri Krishna. Here Pandavaha is given. Now what might be the answer? While you are talking about some relation, you need to get a respective corresponding Shashti Vibhakti form, right? Here Pandavaha is the plural form. Pandavas are 5 people, right? Then there they can't write singular form or dual form. They need to write plural form. That's why they have used Pradhama Vibhakti plural form, which is a Pandavaha. Now what you need to do while giving the answer? You need to get the plural form of Shashti Vibhakti of Pandavaha Shabda. So answer would be Pandavanam. Pandavanam Rakshakaha Krishnaha. These two words remain as it is. We are bothering about only the first word, whether it is dual or plural, respective Shashti Vibhakti form you need to get. And the second and third words remain as it is. In the similar way, you need to fill for the other examples also. I'll give you the answers now. You fill the form, fill this exercise and then cross check. Kauravanam pita Dhritarashtraha. Pandavanam Rakshakaha Krishnaha. Bharatiya Dharmaha Sanatanaha. Asmakam Bhasha Samskritam. Nadinam Jivanam Paropakarartham. Bhashayaha Janani Samskritam. So, with this, we are ending with the class. So, this exercise is very simple, right? Just we have taken, it's a Shashti Vibhakti, the corresponding forms, dual, singular or plural. And the other words, we are just keeping as it is. It's very simple. You just need to by heart. For all Shabdas, get Pradhama Vibhakti and Shashti Vibhakti. By heart them. Then you can easily fill this exercise. This entire Shashti Vibhakti exercise you can fill. And obviously know the gender. You need to know the gender. So good luck guys. This is what for today. In the next class, we'll come up with the next pages. Take care. Thank you all for joining. Bye.